Welcome back. In this video we are going to speak about subtotalling, and basically subtotalling is you having a total before a total. It's like a sub of the total. So the total in this case, I have a sheet called census, and it's basically name, location and number of children. The total of the number of children will be the total like this. If you look at the status bar, it's 91, but the subtotal will be of things like, let's say, location. Like we want to know only the groupings of data, like how many children are in the north, how many are in the south, how many are in the east, blah blah blah. So first thing to do is to sort your data. So I'll just select here, then sort is at home tab, and then sort A to Z. It's using, now it's a bit disorganized because it's using the name column. Let me show you. Go to custom sort, and then we say sort by of course cell values, order A to Z, color icon. So which column are we sorting? I want to sort us by location. Okay, remember how to get to this column. You go to the home ribbon tab, then go to sort, and then do custom sort. It's going to highlight whatever you're using right now, which is sort by. Then I want to sort, by default it will take the first column, which is name, but I want to sort by location. Once you sort by location, actually I've realized something else. Let me undo. Okay, it has been undone. Highlight the data again, sort, custom sort, sort by location. The others are okay. Then I'll just click OK. As you can see, it's now sort by location. East together, north together, south together, west together. That's it. Not a must for you to sort, but it just gives you a better and clear view of the data. Is cleaner. I'll show you after this how to sort without how to subtotal without sorting. After you sort, select your data again, and then the other easier way, if the table is bigger, just put your cursor there. Select the first cell, press shift and then the right arrow. Keep pressing the right arrow until you get to the end of the data, then press the down arrow to keep selecting until you finish your data. Then go to the data tab or the data ribbon, then look for subtotal, click on it. Then it will ask you at each change in, you can either choose the name, location or number of children. I want to use location. Then what do you want to sum? Like which function do you want to sum? Do you want to count? Do you want to average? All of these are here. For this tutorial, it's a simple one. I'm going to do sum. Then what do you want to sum? I want to sum the number of children because I cannot sum the locations. It's just number of children, but you can count the locations. Okay, so I want to use number of children. Then they say replace current subtotals, which is true. Then summary below the data. That's good. Then click on OK, and voila, this is how it is. East total is this, north total is this, south total is this. So this is how you are able to group data based on location. Now the beauty about organizing or sorting is it allows you to have several groups of data distinct from each other. If I show you, let me undo until the point where we were not able to. Okay, sorting is already done, but if, let's see, if we had another, so let's say Daniel, Victor, Dennis, Proctor, that, then we do north, east, south, west. Okay, I'll just do a random number between 1 and 10. Okay, then just drag it down, drag it all the way down. Control C to copy, Control Alt V to paste special, then select values, and okay. Control Alt V is just like saying going to paste special on the home tab here, and select paste values. Okay, keyboard shortcuts. That's it. If I select this, I want to show you if my data is not sorted. right now I'm not going to sort it according to location. Then you go to data, then select subtotal, same kind of information here, then click on OK. See, we have east total here, and we also have an east total here. So that's the problem of not sorting your data before you do the subtotaling of data. It's important for you to know all these functions, and subtotal is not only for summation, it can also be used on count. Remember, we saw it here. Location, we want to do a count. Okay, what do you want to do? The count of location. Let's see what it does. Okay, you see, it's 3. It counts the location. North is 3. So subtotaling is not only for summation, it has count and all the other functions that can be used under it. Find a proper usage for it. I've just shown you one. It's not limited to that. Just find a better way of using it. This is the minimum way you can use it. Minimist is not proper English, but this is the least that you can use it for. See, in the next tutorial, we'll be speaking about advanced printing. See you then. Bye bye.